Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to update Kia Niro software. First, gather a USB drive with at least 64 gigabytes of storage capacity. Next, ensure your computer has a stable internet connection. You will also need to locate the official Kia Navigation Update website for your specific region. Finally, confirm your vehicle's exact model to ensure you download the correct software version for a smooth update process. Once prepared, download the official Kia Navigation Updater application to your computer. This tool is essential for managing the update process. Within the application, carefully select your specific Kia Niro model and the appropriate update region. It is crucial to choose the correct software version that matches your vehicle's infotainment system. Remember, these are often large files, so allow sufficient time for the download to complete fully. With the download complete, insert your formatted USB drive into your computer's USB port. Now, use the Navigation Updater tool to transfer all the downloaded files directly onto the USB drive. This step ensures the update package is correctly structured for your vehicle. Before proceeding, verify that all necessary update files are successfully copied to the USB. Finally, safely eject the USB drive from your computer to prevent data corruption. For the final step, start your Kia Niro's engine and keep it running throughout the entire update process. Next, insert the prepared USB drive into the vehicle's USB data port, typically located near the infotainment screen. Your system should automatically detect the update. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to begin the software installation. It is critical not to remove the USB drive or turn off the engine until the update is 100% complete.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.